Did you know e-commerce stores lose $18 billion in sales revenue annually because of cart abandonment? Wait no more! Introducing FluentCRM's most anticipating feature, Abandoned Cart. It's now ready to rock. Just enable abandoned cart tracking, set cut-off time, and save it. Next time, when customers proceed to checkout, no matter if they complete it or not, their email and cart data will be saved. Now, you can send a reminder email to them after a certain time period with cart links included in it and save the $18 billion. Just kidding. There are plenty of customization options for abandoned carts. You can set cool-off time, contact status, and even order status. And with the GDPR consent enabled, customers can choose whether they want the abandoned cart reminder or not. Of course, you don't want to send reminder emails manually each time thanks to the new abandoned cart trigger automation. Create an automation funnel, set conditions when the automation will be triggered, and build a dynamic custom email with smart shortcode. Now, whenever someone leaves the checkout page without completing payments, they will receive that custom email. There is also a report page for abandoned carts where you will get stats and insights of how many abandoned carts are on the move, how much revenue you can recover, real-time order status for each cart, and so on. That's pretty much everything about abandoned carts of FluentCRM. So why wait? Give it a try and be fluent with your e-commerce business.